Hey guys, welcome back to the Bondi Harvest Healthy Gut series. Now today we finally got a dessert, so we're doing 2-ingredient cashew butter cookies, and they're totally life-changing, trust me. Some recipes are just good for your gut because of what they don't have in them rather than what they do have in them. So this one's got no sugar, no gluten, no refined wheat, no refined grains. It's super simple and delicious. So literally could not be more easy. We're gonna mix an egg with a cup of cashew butter and that's it. And then we're gonna top it with a bit of sweetness. We've got coconut yogurt and this 1-ingredient or 2-ingredient blueberry syrup, which we made in our coconut kefir bircher. All right, so super easy. One step for these cookies. We're gonna mix this cashew butter. So we've got a cup, which is going in the bowl. This is like the most lush ingredient, by the way. Look at it. So that's just going in the bowl. Right, that's the cashew butter. Now we're gonna crack in the egg, and now we're gonna mix. So I'm gonna start mixing it with my spoon, and then when it gets sort of more mixed in, I'm gonna go in with my hands just because that's easier. So I promise you won't think that this recipe will work because you're like, nope, that's not possible. But it works, trust me. And you get this like shortbread kind of biscuit. It's not super sweet. As you can see, again, I'm not using sweetener. If you wanted it sweeter, you could add a tablespoon of raw honey, but that's why I've got that blueberry sort of syrup to go on afterwards to add that natural fruity sweetness. You'll get like quite a sticky mixture, which looks kind of like that. So just make sure it's all incorporated. So you'll see it starts to sort of get less slimy as you mix it, and it gets more kind of crummy and biscuity like this. So that's what you want. So we're gonna take a tablespoon and take spoonfuls of the mixture, kind of roll it between your hands, flatten it a little bit. You can be really rough, doesn't really matter, and place on the tray. Then I'm just gonna push them down with a fork just to make a nice little shortbread pattern, and then into the oven. All right, so those go into the oven for about 15 minutes, 180 degrees. That's it. All right, so that was 15 minutes in the oven. Now they are super crumbly. They need a little bit of time to kind of set. Don't try and pick them up straight out of the oven like I just did because I just ruined one. But give it like 10 minutes or so to let them cool. And then we're gonna get stacking today. I'm gonna go with one cookie, a little bit of this blueberry syrup, which has gone really beautiful and jammy, and another cookie. This could go really badly, but I'm gonna try. It worked! We've got a seriously good cookie stack. Okay. I think we got it. And how bloody good is that? Thanks for watching, guys. Try out this recipe. It's totally life-changing.